I'ma grow up and be an astronaut. I'm on a Mexican radio.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Big Walt, aka Mr. Alpha, and we're here with a new vid. Hey, it's fishing time, baby. It's currently 5:30 in the morning, and we about to take out to Freeport, Texas. And yeah, enjoy the ride, and let's catch some fish. The fishing spot where we're at. But I set everything up. Hopefully we could crab, but I don't know. I'm doubting the crabbing now, but we're still gonna try it. No, we don't give up because we see stuff rough. But look, you can see it's rough. I mean, we can still fish. We're still gonna fish, but I mean crabbing. I'm gonna see what's going on. But I'm gonna set everything up and switch to the GoPro. Motherfucker, that whole slippery as fuck. We're checking. Hopefully we get a good bite. You see we have there's a mullet jumping around. Can't catch those with the fishing pole. You won't feel them when they bite it. Live stream to say 50-50. You can't pull it, because if you pull it you're gonna spit the shrimp in half whenever they bite it. You have to wait till the fish eats it all the way. But hopefully we catch something, and I'll come back whenever we see something good. Hey, am I gonna grab it? Hey, I caught a big idiot, look. Oh, I got it on camera too. I think I killed my shrimp. Oh shit. What you got? Let me see, show it.
All right, here, bro, we got a little pompano. Well, like 10 inches, right? Yeah, bro, you know. Nothing but Houston, Texas shit, bro.
I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god, he got tangled again. It got tangled again. Is this? Found some rope. Make that shit work. Fuck! Huh? Here, on my phone. getting water one way or another. More water? I didn't catch shit on that one. Oh yeah, I did catch some. Oh, I got stuck to the camera. There you go. I cast it on top of the... Oh, shit. I got a jellyfish with it too. Alright, let me open it. Oh, fuck. Where? Oh, man. We keeping them, right?
Yeah, we got one.
Mother, we keeping them, right? Ah! Fuck! No. Nah, the jellyfish one stung outside. But look at the jellyfish, guys. Come here, ho. Look at the jellyfish. Whoa, what happened to that one? Oh, never mind. That was alive. Yeah, that's a pretty good size.
Oh yeah, that's 17.
Oh boy,
How you be eating those?
homemade cut Spanish mackerel.
Yeah, you can just fillet.
Pretty nice. We're gonna keep going. He's on the board. I'm supposed to be on the board, but my thing got snatched. Ooh, look, somebody caught something over there. Thing is Spanish mackerel. It's over there. Oh, they're catching over there. But we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Ain't no giving up. I just goddamn that shit hit that shit. We're gonna keep going, and ain't no giving up around here. At this point, I'm sitting down, and I have a live mullet on the line, and as you can see, the line is moving a little bit. I don't know if y'all could tell. This part right here, look, I have the live mullet on, and my smart self decides to turn off the camera, and after this is when this happened. At this point, me and my brother trying to take out the fish, as you can see there. And plus the net, it has a bolt on it. That's not the regular net. We added an extra yardage so we could, climb down there, so we could be lazy. And look, it snaps. It decides to snap on us, and we continue. The good thing about it is that the fish, the head got stuck in between the rock. So we had an advantage of the fish not moving out because of being tired of being hurt. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
We're just holding on to that screw, that's it. Yeah. Want me to get the line out the way? Here, I got you. Oh, you good. Oh, you got it. You got it. I think they snagged it. Oh, come on. There you go, mother.
Ow, my foot, bro. You gonna break that's it for today, guys. We are on the way back to the truck. Hopefully, y'all were able to see the jacks. You'll be able to see the jacks running around with the bait. The crabbing was a fail, and the fishing was a success. It was very fun. Came home, me and my brother. It was very fun. We're for sure gonna be doing a redo. Woo! Shit. We're for sure coming back, man. Yeah, I got the keys on me. But that concludes, y'all. Appreciate you for tuning in. And there's gonna be a prank next weekend. I don't think there's gonna be a public interview this time or next time. I'm gonna do a prank, but you never know. I'm always popping out with different stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully, I love the video. Make sure like, subscribe, and share it with your family. And until next time, remember, I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Be you. Mr. Alpha, out. Peace.
I'ma grow up and be an astronaut. I'm on a Mexican radio.